this wasn't supposed to be a mod until 1.8, but chicken jockey.
Yeah. Show them the evidence that's at 1.8 or whatever.
Okay, in 1.8 there's slime blocks. Slime balls? Slime. Oh, this did come up, but it was only a glitch. And so we got. This is so cool.
Let's show them that it's not, that it wasn't spawn. Wait, you were spawning zombies.
Yes! Like, in the roof, I was like right here because I was doing a zombie apocalypse. It's rare.
So all the villager zombies.
Yeah, I've been getting a lot of those.
What, villager zombies?
Yeah.
I think that's done.